Good morning, everyone. Along with me, Mr. Ajay Rijal is there, who is the ITOH Denki India market in charge. We are very much lucky. I would like to request to Mr. Rijal to introduce yourself and ITOH Denki brand, how your experience for the Indian market and product range. It will be very easy for the Indian customer.
Ah, Thank you very much. Hello everyone, I'm Ajay from ITOH Denki, Japan, and I'm heading for the Indian market through ITOH Denki, and looking after the market. The India is means it is a very good market for the one of the focal market for all the sectors like intralogistics, automotive field. Means lots of Japanese and foreign companies are over here like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai Motors. Thereafter the and Amazon. Due to this kind of market, it is main focal market for every kind of sectors. India is really growing in a market, and within few years it will means 100% automotive in upcoming few years. Thank you.